As an high school teacher and a vlogger, time is a luxury I don't have a lot of, but I try to squeeze the gym into my busy schedule, working out 5 days per week while trying to eat as clean as I can. It oftentimes is a struggle, but the struggle is what makes us strong. I know many persons who want to start working out but cannot find the time, or so they keep saying anyways. I am a firm believer that each time you work out or exercise, you save yourself a potential doctor bill in the long term, and as such it is critical to do some form of physical exercise. This channel, Gym Life JA, will try to provide simple, realistic and effective solutions to aid in making the most of your gym time or home workouts. I will share my personal routines and methods along with bits and pieces of my diet and those of others that will help you improve your physical condition. My aim is not to get big, but to become ripped, defined and sexy. Hence, I don't try to lift up the gym. Instead, I lift wisely, knowing that repetition, form and discipline are what will help me to attain my goals. I am still learning and have a lot more to learn, but I invite you to come join me on this challenging but rewarding journey and let us discover good health and fitness together. Let Gym Life JA be your guide to a healthier you, where you will be stimulated and motivated physically and mentally through at least 3 uploads weekly. If you like these ideas, please subscribe and turn on your notification so you are alerted immediately when I upload enriching and fulfilling content that will nourish your mind, brain and body. Remember, the gym is 90% mental while only 10% is physical, and as they say, no pain, no gain. Come join me and let us build greatness.
Gentleman. Yeah, man.
Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.